In this video, I'll guide you through how to deposit a check into your SoFi Money account. If you're new to mobile banking or just looking to simplify your financial tasks, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open the SoFi app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you have a secure internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the banking tab. This is your gateway to all your banking needs within the app. Next, you'll want to select Deposit, followed by Deposit a Check. Before moving forward, ensure that you have the physical check you intend to deposit with you. It might sound obvious, but it's an easy step to overlook when you're in a hurry. Now, go ahead and enter the amount written on the check. It's important to double-check this figure to ensure accuracy. Once you've done that, it's time to take a photo of the check. You'll need to capture both the front and the back. Then a little tip here, make sure the back of the check is properly signed before you upload the images. This is crucial because an unsigned check won't be accepted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the photo capture process. The app will guide you through aligning the check within the frame for a clear picture. Good lighting and a flat surface can make this step a breeze, so try to find a well-lit area to take the photos. Once you've captured and uploaded the images, take a moment to review the details. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit the deposit for processing. You should see a confirmation that your deposit is being processed. If you're ever curious about your deposit limits or need to check them for any reason, you can easily do so within the app. And that's it. That's how you deposit a check into a SoFi Money account. With these simple steps, you can manage your finances effortlessly from the comfort of your home or on the go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. If you found this video helpful, consider checking out more of our tutorials for additional tips on managing your SoFi account.